verify your Google account without phone number. This is what I'm about to show you. This video is very important. If you are new here, give this video a like and subscribe so you won't miss my tips and tricks. Let's get started. Go to your phone settings, scroll down until you find Google Services. Click on it right here. Click on this little arrow. And now scroll down, tap on add another account. This is very important. Watch carefully. Now, what you have to do is simply enter your email and then click on next. Enter your password and then tap next. Okay, now tap on save right here and then tap on I agree. Now you have the option. If you want to add your phone number, you can add it right here. If not, you can only click on cancel. Tap on skip right here. The Google account is verified without asking us to enter a verification code and without sending one. This is how to sign in without an OTP code. Give this video a like, share it with your friends, subscribe so you won't miss my tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Take care.